Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I thought I would share with you how I decorated my 3-tiered tray that I leave on my island in my kitchen. So as you guys can see, I have a really cute witch's brew sign that I stuck right in there. That I ordered from Etsy. These cute little pumpkins that I have in here, I got these at Hobby Lobby. I just stuffed him over there in the corner. I added some greenery to my tiered tray this year just to give it some more color, some more pop, something different. Then over here I have like a fake jar, potions jar that I added right there. And then over here I have just a little pumpkin with like the lid off, tilted. I have a little jar here, tea light jar. You can just put like a tea light in there and just light it up. Then over here on this side, I have a cute little pumpkin, and then I have a black pumpkin there. And then up here, I just have a Ray Dunn, it's not a seasonal pouring cup, but I just have a Ray Dunn pouring cup there with another pumpkin sitting up here on top. More greenery here. I have like a gold pumpkin there, and then around this top I have a cute little ghost that I'm supposed to put a tea light in there, and then he sits up here at the top. And then I have one of my Mickey mugs that I bought several years ago sitting here with a pumpkin on top as well. And then over here I have 2 pumpkins sitting on top. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the lighting, so I'm going to kind of go this way and turn it. So I have 2 pumpkins on this side, and then going around this side I have a like mason jar filled with some straws with some ribbon around it. And then over here I have a bowl, black and white bowl. The inside is orange, and I have some greenery inside of there. So that is what my 3-tiered tray looks like this year. I absolutely love it. I think that it turned out so good. I love adding the greenery in there. It just made it look so more colorful and just more farmhouse look. It gives it such a really cool appeal to it. I really, really like it. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.